All right, so let's just start from square one. Square one. All right, so what have you been wanting to do? These aren't even on. Okay. So past videos I've been focusing on a lot of it. I mentioned we're working within this order block, and we were during all these shorts we were just expecting price to keep coming into this order block. Where was this order block? No shit. No, but this one, right? I mean, I don't think that means too much anyway. Yeah, but let's go into the 1 hour. We were bullish because there was this hourly SMT. I don't know where it is. Let me see. Or actually, there's a 4 hour. There's a 4 hour. Oh no, this hourly SMT. There it is. Boom. Thank you. Boom. So ES was lagging. Okay, so we were kind of bullish, and we had all this sell side. I mean, this buy side. This is a nice buy side liquidity, a lot of buy side. As you can see, a lot of sell side too. So that's why we were kind of on the fence, but we were using this SMT to give us that bias. There was no, oh my gosh, bro. There was no like bearish SMTs. I was on the lookout for it. There was none of that. There's not even like 5 minute bearish SMTs. I think there might have been a 1 minute, but it was like super iffy. Like the one from yesterday where it was like equal highs. It wasn't like a higher high. Okay, so we were like, price could do anything. Let's see how it reacts off of liquidity. So hit this liquidity and then hit this liquidity. As far as catch and move short, it would have been kind of like a FOMO trade or like a force kind of trade because there's really nothing to go off of to play it short. I mean, there's liquidity down here, right? And you could say, oh yeah, try to short the beginning. But right, again, we're bullish, so what we're expecting is price to react off of this liquidity and then take all this buy side out. But that's not happened. Okay, so I was sticking to that bias, and yeah, so it would have been a force trade, so I'm happy we didn't take it, even though it would have been like, fuck yeah, right, whatever. So yeah, we just stayed out the markets, and then you see that. Oh, you see this. This is where I entered short because there's just I saw this Instagram reel. This guy said, mark the high and the low of the 30-minute session open candle, and then go scale down to the 5-minute closure out of it. 5-minute closure out of that past that 30-minute low, then enter short, or vice versa. Break past the 30-minute high, enter long. So I was like, try it out. But so what happened is on the 5-minute on ES it broke. On NQ, it did not break right here. So then right when I entered, I went on NQ. I was like, damn, there was no closures on the 5-minute on NQ. So I was like, you know what? I'm not feeling this. So right when we got back into the green, I closed it. Yeah, and this would have been the liquidity I was seeking out, and I would still be in this trade. So yeah, something I would be interested in trading going forward. Just like the break past the 30-minute high. I feel like break past the 30-minute high, price action, like the unpredictableness is kind of like gone by then, right? So if it breaks past the 30-minute high and it's in an uptrend, it's probably just gonna keep going long and seek out the buy side liquidity. So I kind of like that. It makes sense to me. So so we just stayed out the market today. I was waiting to see how price reacts off of this liquidity. Nothing happened. This liquidity, nothing happened. Okay, and then you see this long right here, this long position. I was waiting for price. I was hoping price would come up, inverse this fair value gap, closures past it, and then enter long, taking all this buy side. I would probably go like TP 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought that would be a solid trade. But I mean, you can get it, and that's all right. Stay trying to focus on profitability, not winning every day. You could say I won today, but I'd say it was like just break even, pretty much break even. It's $100,000 account, and then $100,000 account is only like plus 600. It's like, no, it was like plus $25, honestly. But yeah, so nothing much today. Price action was pretty bad. I'm not alone in that statement. I mean, you wouldn't say price action was bad unless you shorted. If you shorted, I mean, someone, please tell me how you caught this move down to the downside, because I mean, I honestly don't know how those things work. These like support and resistance, or like just shit like that. I don't know how it works, but I'm gonna guess this is how it works. Right? Oh, what? Oh, right there. Boom. mean, would you see that? Okay. I mean, actually, I want to see like research or like learn about how this stuff works. I mean, you know, it's not switching up the strat. It's just like the whole entering after the closure past the 30-minute high, 30-minute low stuff. I feel like that's not switching up my strat. That's just adding another setup to my you know, my toolbox. And yeah, so I don't think it's switching up the strat at all. And I feel like not being knowledgeable of stuff like this, how people take trades like this, is good too. But I mean, I think it's like this closures out of this thing. You're like, okay, boom. Oh, 1 minute. Boom. Short it. I don't know how people do stops. Stops above this fair value gap. I mean, even if you caught this move, it's still like, I mean, 1.8, once 1.83, that's pretty good. And then you probably have TP2 right here, still in the trade. Yeah, what would this be? Support and resistant? No. See, this thing has to have some type of like hold some kind of weight to it. Like it's three high sets of liquidity. I don't know. I don't know. Boom, once we get closures out of it, enter. Or if it was like closure to the upside past this, enter. I don't know. But erase that. Come back to all of the confluence I'd use. Okay, because I don't want to mix stuff up. Okay, but yeah, so price action was bad. I guess you could say we stayed off the charts today, which was a good move. And yeah, not a bad day. It's a good day. Every day is a good day when you wake up, take a breath of fresh air, fresher breath air. You know what I'm saying? Fresher breath air. But yeah, let's try to get back to it tomorrow. It's FOMC tomorrow, so I don't know. Dude, I'm so tunnel vision on this stuff, like taking day to day. I don't even know if I won yesterday. You know, I feel like that's a healthy mindset to me. Just day at a time. What happened yesterday? No fucking clue. I'm just worried about today. You know, that's how you gotta approach it. Even like that's how they be doing it in NFL. Like if it's week 5 and you ask them about their week 7 matchup, like ask the head coach or ask any of the like veteran players, they're gonna say, no clue. All I'm focused about is who we got this week. Okay, put that into this. All I'm focused about is trying to stay profitable and take a winning trade today, okay, with a high quality setup. If I don't see no setups, I'm not forcing shit, okay. I'm focused on keeping this win rate up, okay. I want to stay in the green, okay. Scared money don't make no money, yes, but even when you have the setups, I feel like that applies only to when you have the setups, is when you can't be scared. Because if it's saying, if all the signs point that it's going to go long and you want to press long, and then you're like, oh fuck, I don't know, then that scared money don't make no money, okay. Staying off the charts when you don't see a quality setup is good, is smarter, okay. Yeah. And you know what it was needed to, what was that? Right here. I think it was 5 minutes for buy gap. Yeah, 5 minutes for buy gap. So could I have been less stubborn and say, okay, we were in the middle anyway. So since we were in the middle anyway, I think I could have flipped it. Price came up, tested this fair value gap. Oh, but I can't say that. That was before session open. I don't know. Because everything we do, we want to start from 9:30. So it's like, do I count this fair value gap? Do I say, oh, price came up, tested it, closures out of it, enter there? I don't know. We're learning though. It's a learning progress. One day at a time. I made no my head in the lab of mine. I don't want to leave there. Oh yeah, I did hoop yesterday, brother. I was not cooking. I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, low key, I was cooking, but my body just wasn't feeling right. My body wasn't feeling my ankles, my knees. I was not feeling it. I don't know. Maybe it's my diet. I gotta fix my diet, bro. I